Hello viewers, I am Farzana, teacher of St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Hardoi. In this video, I will teach you operating system. Before starting the chapter, if you like my video, hit the like button and share it. And subscribe our school channel for more videos. Thank you. Chapter 3, Operating System. In this video, we will learn about operating system. First of all, we will have a look at our definition of an operating system and we will try to understand its meaning as well. Now let's start the chapter. Whenever you switch on the laptop, desktop or even mobile phone, you might have observed it takes some time to load your home screen. Here your device is starting software in the background and this software will help you to control your computer or mobile device and lets you run other application on top of it. This software will be running as long as your device is running and it's stop only when your device shut down. Now let's see the main features of this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about introduction to operating system, components of desktop, working with icons and how to change the desktop background, what is MS Windows and icons on the desktop and how to refresh the computer. Now let's see and understand the definition of an operating system. An operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware software resources and provides common services for computer program. Now let's see and understand the examples of an operating system. First is iOS. What is an iOS? iOS is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Inc. It is the operating system that presently powers many of the company's mobile devices, including the iPhone and iPad Touch. Next is Windows 8. Windows 8 is an operating system that was produced by Microsoft, released as a part of the Windows NT family of operating system. Next is Linux. Linux is a family of open source Unix-like operating system based on Linux kernel. An operating system kernel first released on September 17, 1991 by Linus Torvalds. Android. Android is a mobile operating system based on modified version of the Linux kernel and other open source software. Now let's see the components of desktop. First is wallpaper. What is wallpaper? Wallpaper is a picture in the background of the desktop. It is like this. If you want to change the wallpaper, follow these steps. Step 1. Right click on the blank area at the desktop. The right click menu appears. Step 2. Now click the personalize option. A window appears. Click the desktop background option. Step 3. Select a background by clicking on it in the background list. Step 4. Now click the Save Changes button. The desktop background changes with your selected one. Now let's see the other components of the desktop. The other components of the desktop is taskbar. What is a taskbar? It is like this. A long bar that we see at the bottom of the desktop is known as a taskbar. The taskbar is split into two areas. Each has a start button on the left side. We use the icons on the right side of the taskbar to change the time and date and month displayed on the computer or adjust the volume. The middle section of the taskbar shows labeled buttons for each open application which we can click to make it visible means maximize or invisible means minimize on the desktop. Next is start button. It is like this. The start button is present at the bottom left of the screen. It is used to start any program. Clicking on the start button will displaying a menu. To open start menu, click the start button in the lower left corner of the screen or press the Windows logo key on the keyboard. Now let's see the icons on the desktop. First of all, I would like to tell you here what is an icon. Icons are small labeled pictures that appear on the desktop. The icon represent folders, file, programs. When you double click any icon, the selected program or document opens up. This is called executing the program. Now we will discuss about icons on the desktop. First, I will tell you here file. File. What is file? Whatever we do any work on a computer like typing a letter, drawing a picture, etc., you do it in the file. A file is represented by an icon like this. It is Word document format file. I have shown here in this video. Next is folder. What is a folder? We can keep different things such as letters, songs, pictures and programs in a folder. A folder is represented by an icon like this. Now next is my computer. When we click on my computer icon, a window opens. We can see the icons representing the hard disk drive and other contents of the computer in the computer window. It is like this. Next is recycle bin. What is recycle bin? Recycle bin like a computer's dustbin. In it we put the items that we do not need anymore and want to delete a file or folder. It does not get deleted right away. It remains in the recycle bin till we empty the recycle bin. It is like this. Now let's see the important part of a computer, how to refresh a computer. How to refresh a computer? You notice sometimes the computer's speed becomes slow due to long continuous working. At that time it needs to be refreshed. How to refresh a computer? Follow these steps. Step 1. Right click on the blank area at the top of the desktop. A list appears. Step 2. Now click the refresh option. Computer gets refreshed. Step first is right click on a blank area at the desktop. A list appears. A list appears like this. When you right click on the blank area at the desktop, a list appears, and the list will be appeared like this, which has been shown by me in this video. Step 2. Now click the refresh option. Here you are watching. First is view, second is sort by, and third is refresh. Now you have to click the refresh button and your computer gets refreshed. Now your chapter 3 has been completed. Now see the activity. I have given here some activity. First, you read the sentence carefully, then you have to fill it. The bar at the top of the desktop is called the taskbar, title bar, menu bar. The bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar, title bar and menu bar. Here answer is taskbar. Which of the following is not present on the taskbar? Start button, quick launch bar, scroll bar. Answer is scroll bar. Okay students, thank you for watching the video.